Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. I'm super excited for this week's video as I got a very cool commission request from Oli Pettigrew, one of the hosts of the American TV show RightThisMinute. And I'm no stranger to this show as they featured my art on 3 different occasions already. I'll link those videos down below in the comment section. So Oli contacted me on Instagram with a request of drawing his family as Batman characters to surprise his wife on her birthday. As it appears, his wife Linda is a huge Batman fan, and the idea was to draw her as Batman, their daughter as Batgirl, their son as Robin, and Oli would be Commissioner Gordon. Now that sounds like a very cool idea, so of course I said yes. And in this video I'll take you guys to the creation process of this illustration, and make sure to stick until the end. Oli promised me he would send me the footage of Linda opening up the piece for the first time on her birthday. Now let's get to work. So this is the man behind this awesome idea for an illustration. As soon as I read what he had in mind, I was excited to start working on this project. So after mailing back and forth, Oli and I agreed on the character standing on a Gotham building next to the bat signal. He provided me with pictures of his family for reference and even added a quick sketch to show me what he had in mind. Based on that information, I made some quick sketches of my own to show him my idea for the composition of the illustration and to check if we were on the same page. As soon as he was happy with the concept, I started working on the final piece. Every now and then I showed Oli photos of my progress. That way he could give me feedback on things he would like to change. It's a good idea to check if your client is happy with the drawing one last time before you start inking, as changes in this stage are of course much harder to make. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out the pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Okay guys, I just got an email from Oli with an update. He really likes how the piece is coming along so far, but some family members got a new haircut and he asked me if I could make those last minute changes, and that's right on time I guess, because I was just about to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... inking time. Here we go. Okay, the drawing is done, Oli got it printed and framed. Now let's see Linda's reaction on her birthday.
That's very large.
Happy birthday.
It's very large. Thank you. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's very cool. I love it.
I need to find an artist to find the real you.
Oh, that is the real me. 100%. I'm like, how? Why? This one's you, and that's Dad, and that's here, and that's me. Right? I like that.
You like
I
me,
love
Becca?
it.
You look pretty cool as that girl, I have to be honest.
Yeah. Nailed the hair.
Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope, Linda, you liked my drawing, and oh yeah, happy birthday, of course. Thank you, Oli, for the amazing request. It was great fun and it was an honor to make this piece for you guys. I hope you like it. And if you guys like the drawing as well, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!